There's a special society out there. Its members don't need an alarm clock to wake up. They don't need an inspirational poster to remind them that every day is an adventure. It's a society of athletes and explorers, with members who aren't afraid to get dirty. For them, sit, stay, and roll over aren't commands. They're a password. And in this society, everyone knows the handshake. And even when this society is unable to meet, they can count on each other. They are always connected, always close by, always looking out for each other, because they are linked by a bond that cannot be broken.
Meet Feinster Duo Plus, the GPS pet tracker free of monthly fees. You can finally give your pet the freedom he needs while keeping your peace of mind. A tiny and smart wearable device helps you care for that best friend of yours. Track their location and activity on your phone in real time. Feinster lets you stay connected even when you're away. Share access to your pets with your family and friends and monitor their safety from anywhere. The virtual leash adds an extra layer of protection during your walks, ensuring your pet keeps up with you at all times. Love is a full-time job, but sometimes life gets in the way. Feinster lets you stay one step ahead, even when Mr. Tailwagger decides to go on his little solo expeditions. Feinster is the extra set of eyes you've always wanted to have, but instead of helping you look, it guides you right to your pet's location, even if you're off-grid. It also helps you make sure no one gets left behind. The Feinster app lets you monitor all of your pets without additional fees. But going out with your little buddy is also about sharing new adventures and celebrating your unique bond. Challenges and leaderboards are available because fun should always be a part of the experience. And since the best adventures are often unpredictable, Feinster is waterproof, so you don't have to worry about where the fun will lead. Revisit your walks or analyze your performance. Feinster helps guarantee you're both getting the most out of your activities. Feinster Duo Plus is the only GPS pet tracker to allow true real-time tracking. But it goes beyond that. It also tracks your best friend's all-day activity, providing you with key data to make sure their needs are always attended to. Connect yourself to the ones you love with Feinster Duo Plus.